Welcome to the Library Unit, using the library's electronic resources. The first resource we're going to focus on in this course is the library, the Simpson University Library to be exact. It may be that you have access to other libraries and their electronic resources, but learning to use SU's library should lower the learning curve for any other one. The library is so incredibly important because not only is it the place to find books, but as important, to access many of them for free, rather than having to buy either hard copy or digital books. Further, the library gives you access to another vital source, journal articles which contain specialized or cutting-edge information often not found in books. These articles are often much more specific in scope than books. In the next 3 videos, I will show you the Simpson Library website and the various resources available to you there, and then illustrate several different searches you can accomplish, as well as how to access the electronic materials. The main library site is found at simpsonulibrary.org. You can easily navigate to the library from the Academics tab of the main Simpson website, from the top of any Moodle page, or from your student portal page. And speaking of portal, the main library website is the portal for anything you need from the library. Not only can you initiate any search from here, but there are a series of pull-down menus at the top of the page that will take you to anywhere you need. In addition to this tutorial, you may want to listen to the ones on the library site linked in the Spotlight section of the main page. The library has a wide range of resources from their physical books, journals, music, DVDs, and other materials that can be used in the library or checked out. These are not our concern, though when you are on campus they are available. For our purposes, it is the electronic resources I want to highlight. The range of resources is essentially the same: ebooks, journal articles from a variety of databases, films on demand, and an extensive music database. I will focus exclusively on ebooks and article databases related to biblical and theological studies, which is amazingly rich. To find a specific title, simply do a search on the main page. More on searching in the next video. Many times, though, you will want to explore various collections for your relevant sources. You can find a complete listing of relevant databases for Bible theology by going to the pull-down Find Resources, select Online Resources, then by Program. On the Program Listings page, select Biblical and Theological Studies. Only a few specific databases will appear as best resources, but clicking on See All Resources for Biblical and Theological Studies at the bottom will give a list of 52 relevant sites, of which about half are truly useful. Fortunately, there is a description of each database which helps to narrow your search down. At this point, I encourage you to explore these various databases to familiarize yourself with the vast number of resources you have at your disposal for research in Bible and theology, as well as so much more. In the next segment, I will go into some detail on carrying out searches and then accessing your resources.